Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to change pin lock password to alphanumeric password in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, lock your tablet and try to unlock. It will ask your current pin. So this is current pin I have set. Now I would like to change from this current pin 1616 to password, that is alphanumeric password, combination of letters and numbers. Okay, so what I got to do is just go to the settings of tablet, then go to security. Here select screen lock and it will ask your current pattern. Just give your current pin and enter. Okay, now you have to choose password option. Click on password and set a password of your choice. Here you can use combination of letters and numbers. So here just I type Mingy 16. Mingy 16 is the password for my tablet. I would like to set and click on next. Again you go to type your password, that is same password to verify. What is? Just type Mingy 16 and click on confirm. Yes, now password has been changed from pin to alphanumeric password. Okay, lock your screen and try to unlock. Now it will ask your current password, that is alphanumeric password. You cannot use 1616 as of now because it has been removed and changed to password. Okay, that is alphanumeric password. So give your alphanumeric password that you set now, Mingy 16, and click on the tick mark and yes, it is unlocked. So in this way you can easily change from pin password to alphanumeric password in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.